AI Therapist Free is one of the most exciting AI tools that's just been released, and today I'm going to show you 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're wondering if this is the right software for you, stick around, because by the end of this video you'll have a solid understanding of how AI Therapist Free works and if it's worth trying. And yes, you can try it for completely free. Just click the first link in the description below. First things first. AI Therapist Free is designed to be a personal AI assistant that helps users with emotional and mental well-being. Unlike other therapy apps, it provides responses based on a database of psychological knowledge, making it an ideal choice for people seeking a conversational AI to help them process their thoughts or get some emotional support. It doesn't replace a real therapist, but provides a complementary tool for those looking for guidance between sessions or anyone simply needing to talk. One of the most impressive features of AI Therapist Free is its ability to analyze text and offer tailored suggestions. For instance, if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, it can help you identify the root cause and give advice or coping strategies based on cognitive behavioral techniques. This personalized interaction is something that sets it apart from general chatbots. Another cool feature is the app's ability to track your progress. By logging your feelings and conversations over time, it builds a profile of your mental health journey. This can be really helpful for anyone looking to see patterns in their emotional state and how they are improving. Plus, it allows you to reflect on past conversations and gain insights that can support long-term well-being. Now, let's talk about ease of use. AI Therapist Free is extremely user-friendly. The interface is clean and simple, which makes it accessible even to those who aren't tech-savvy. You just type in your thoughts or concerns, and the AI responds with relevant advice and suggestions. It's like having a therapist in your pocket, ready when you need it most. But it's not all just about chatting. The software integrates mindfulness exercises, deep breathing techniques, and relaxation strategies into its offerings. Whether you're feeling anxious, angry, or sad, AI Therapist Free has tools that can help calm your mind and improve your mood in just minutes. Additionally, AI Therapist Free respects your privacy. All conversations are confidential, and the platform uses advanced encryption methods to ensure your personal information is safe. This makes it a trustworthy option for anyone concerned about privacy while seeking mental wellness support. Another thing that makes this software stand out is its accessibility. Whether you're on a mobile device or desktop, you can easily access the platform anywhere. This makes it convenient for people on the go or those who prefer not to visit a therapist in person. Lastly, the fact that AI Therapist Free is completely free is a huge bonus. While many mental wellness tools are locked behind a paywall, this app gives you access to its core features at no cost. This means you get all the benefits of having an AI therapist at your fingertips without having to pay a dime. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and AI Therapist Free ranks among the best for anyone looking for a quick, easy way to manage their mental well-being. If you're curious about trying it yourself, remember to click the first link in the description below to get started for free. And just before I go, I've also included links to other top AI software that I highly recommend for a variety of needs. Don't forget to check them out after trying AI Therapist Free. Thank you for watching.